We suggest you to install the SPC floor in this way. It's easy to install, even women can install it. Check before paving. 1. The ground should be leveled or self-leveled first. 2. Keep the ground dry, clean and free of foreign matter before paving. 3. Prepare tools. Formal installation procedure. Step 1. Lay the EPE foam. The connection between the foam can be smoothly taped. Avoid partial overlap. Step 2. Choose the paving direction, starting from the second row. Step 3. Insert the convex of the B plank into the groove of the A plank. Lock it and lay it flat. Step 4. After laying flat, the distance between the B plank and the C plank is about 2 to 3 millimeters to form a parallel line. Step 5. Lift the A plank and the B plank at the same time, about 45 degrees to the ground. Step 6. Push the B plank toward the C plank and tap it gently with a washer and a hammer until it is locked. Instructions for the laying of edge flooring. Step 1. Expansion joints should be reserved around the installation ground, generally 5 to 12 millimeters on each side, preferably 8 to 10 millimeters. Step 2. According to the wall bump amplitude. Mark the plank. Step 3. Cut the floor according to the marked line. Step 4. Tilt the cut floor and align it with the latch tenon. Now we finished installation. The effect of the floor is amazing. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on hhflooring.en.alibaba.com.